Hi Janki.
Hi Tanisha, what are you doing?
I'm solving some complex sums.
Oh my god, it's too difficult for me to solve it, so that's why I hate maths.
So tell me, which subject do you like the most?
I love to study history.
Oh come on, history is such a boring subject.
Why do you consider it as a boring subject?
Dear, it's really challenging to memorize all dates and years of historical moments. So in simple words, learning history, well, it's not my cup of tea.
But by imaging historical period, we can easily memorize the entire chapter.
And by using brain, we can also solve all the sums, which you are not doing.
I would not waste my 1 megahertz memory from my hate-top computer for these sums.
So do you consider yourself as an intelligent person?
Yes, I am, and I will be forever.
Okay, that's why you choose me as your best friend. Now I appreciate your intelligence.
Okay, thank you for your words. Bye.
Bye, catch you later.